welcome to my channel. This is Mini here, and in today's video we are going to discuss bags, and I'm going to show you my bag collection. I'm very excited about it. Basically this was requested by a subscriber, and I thought that this is going to be very sit back, chill and relax kind of video, and it's a no-brainer for me to show. And I also thought that instead of just showing you my bag collection, let us also make it very informative, because I'm sure if you're following me on Instagram or if you have seen a lot of my YouTube videos, you must have seen most of these bags already on my channel or in my photos. So I thought that instead of just showing you my bag collection, I can also talk about a few things, a few tips that will be really important for you, and you can also take away from this video. So yeah, I'm going to divide this video into 3 segments. In the first one, we're going to talk about the tips that I always keep in mind and I can share with you, which you should also keep in mind when you are shopping bags. The second one is going to be the main highlight of the video, which is my bag collection. And the third segment is going to be how I take care of my bags, how I really try to keep them intact and in place, and I can retain its quality for a longer period of time. Now before moving ahead, I also want to say that this can be considered as like a part 1 of the bag collection, because I live here in Ahmedabad. I'm settled here with my husband, but I belong to Ajmer, like that's my hometown, and I have a lot of bags lying at my parents house. Mostly Indian wear के साथ जो भी bags जाते हैं वो ज़्यादातर मेरे घर पे पड़े हुए हैं, क्योंकि वहीं पे मुझे ज़्यादा मौका पड़ता है किसी इवेंट पे जाने का या कोई शादी वगैरह अटेंड करना होता है, तो मैं अपने घर हमेशा जाती ही हूँ. आई थिंक लेटर ऑन मे बी व्हेन द थिंग्स गेट नॉर्मल एंड व्हेन आई गेट टाइम टू गो टू माई होम टाउन, आई थिंक आई विल गेट टाइम film a part 2 of this video. But for now, the bags that I'm going to show you are the ones I have here in Ahmedabad. So without taking this intro too long and too further, let's start with the video. Alright, so we are going to begin with the first segment. Now before that, if you really would like to jump onto a particular segment, then you can follow the timestamp that is given in my description box, in case if you're interested in watching just a particular segment. And yeah, you're most welcome, by the way, to watch the entire video. I think that is exactly what you should do. Please watch the entire video. Now we are beginning with the first segment, where I'm going to talk about how you should shop for bags and how you should make it actually like a full paisa vasool shopping. What all tips that I can share with you while you're shopping bags. So my number 1 tip would be always shop classics. Now when I speak of classics, I mean there are so many category of handbags, but then you should not really go into like shopping all sort of bags that you feel like. I think हर category का भले handbag होना चाहिए, but it should be classic so that you can carry it with most of your outfits. My second most important tip would be to shop more of muted colors. When I was in college, I remember I used to shop more of vivid colors, and I think as I've grown up over these years, I feel that it's really important to shop for muted colors which go with maximum outfits and with maximum colors. And then I would come to very important tip, which is size. The size of the bag really matters. Now there are definitely few bag category like tote bags. They always have a lot of space. They are definitely spacious. So I always keep in mind that when I'm shopping for tote bags, I see कि उनमें अंदर जो है compartment कितने हैं, is there a division, is there like a back and a front chain. And then when I'm shopping sling bags, I always keep in mind, or even if a small handbag I'm shopping, I will always keep in mind कि at least मेरे basic essentials तो इसमें store हो जाएंगे. So for me, like my basic essentials are my phone, my house keys. I would also like to carry like 1 lipstick at least in my handbag, especially the one that I'm wearing, in case you require to put on like 1 more stroke of it. And other thing I would say that you would also require to carry your wallet. If not your wallet, then definitely some cash and cards. You need that space and compartment also in your sling bag or your handbag. And I think these days, yeah, sanitizer is also going to be like a bag essential, right? So at least you should have this much space, even if it's a small bag that you are going to buy, or a clutch, at least it should have that much space so that it can carry your most basic essentials in. And if you don't want to really invest in too much expensive bags in real time, सभी ब्रांड से बहुत अच्छी सेल आती है, और even during the sale time they have good collection of bags. So you should obviously keep an eye on when the sale is coming, and then you should try and make the maximum benefit during the sale time, and अच्छे discount के साथ आप अच्छा bag खरीद सकते हो. And that's how you can actually over the years have a good collection of bags, which you can say that yeah, this is something I own, and I really feel that I have classic handbag collection. You don't really need to put a lot of brain into the quantity. You should always pay a lot of attention to the quality. Alright, so I'm going to show you bags starting स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट कैटेगरी. मैंने सोचा कि उनको कैटेगरी वाइज डिवाइड कर देते हैं. इट विल बी मच ईजियर फॉर यू ऑल्सो टू वॉच एंड फॉर मी टू शो. सो फर्स्ट कैटेगरी इज अ टोट बैग. आई विल फर्स्ट शो यू दिस वन विच इज अ टैन टोट बैग. इट इज़ फ्रॉम कप्रेसी और ये थोड़ा सा बोन आउट हो गया है बिकॉज मैं इसे बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम से ऑफिस कैरी करती हूँ. इसके जो हैंडल्स है उसमें से भी अभी स्किन हल्की हल्की निकलने लग गई है, बट देन आई डोंट नो, आई जस्ट कांट थ्रो इट अवे. आई रियली लाइक इट एंड इट एक्चुअली हैज़ लाइक दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ डिविजन. और फिर इस साइड भी कंपार्टमेंट है और इस साइड भी कंपार्टमेंट है, तो इसलिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्पेशियस है. ये जो बीच में डिवीजन और चेन है इसके अंदर भी कुछ चीज़ें स्टोर हो सकती हैं.
has over here और एक इधर अंदर भी चेन है और एक इधर बाहर भी चेन है. So
it's really like I carry my whole world inside it. In fact, this is a tan color. I remember when I was shopping for this bag, it was also available in black. I really wanted to go for tan because I feel that of course black also goes with all the colors and outfits, but I feel that tan has something about it. I don't know, I really love the color. It has these studded thing going on the side. So just show you my clutch, my wallet. So this one is from Miniso. I think I did a Miniso shopping haul which has like most number of views on my YouTube channel. In case you haven't watched it, you can watch it. I will link it in the description over here. Then I have another category of tote bag which is this one. It's from Charles & Keith. But this one I actually carry when I have like an important meeting at the office, or I know that we are going to an after office party for dinner or something like that. So and yeah, as I said, this one also has like two compartments and a chain that divides those two compartments. So the chain also has some space inside. Again, just like that bag,
this one also has some space over here and it has one more chain over here and there's one chain at the back. So basically इस बैग का और उस बैग का जितनी स्पेस के रिगार्डिंग और चेन वगैरह के रिगार्डिंग सब कुछ सेम है.
just that it थोड़ा सा smaller version है tote bag का. What I really like about it is that you know it has a sling and I can also detach the sling and I can just carry it as a handbag. So I would really like to carry it sometimes maybe to the airport also, or like I usually carry it to you know dinners also, or even for brunch. It is bottle green or olive green. I don't know what exactly what kind of green is it, but I feel that you know this sort of green color also goes with majority of the colors of the outfit. Like for example, I'm wearing an orange color, but I think this bag would really go with this top also. So इसीलिए मैंने इस तरह का जो है bag I thought of buying it. It comes with this sort of magnetic button. So yeah, I really like this one also. These are the two bags that I have in my tote bag collection. As I said, I think I have like 2 or 3 more bags which are lying at my parents' house in my hometown, so that I will include in the part 2 of the video. Now let's move on to the different category of collection, which is the most popular category. I feel that is a sling bag category. So first let's begin with this one. I think you've seen this in most of my videos also, and also on Instagram. This one actually my parents got from Hong Kong and it has like 2 divisions. So it actually stores a lot of my stuff and I have this sort of stuffing. मैं ये बाद में बात करूँगी कि हाउ आई टेक केयर ऑफ बैग्स. अभी मैं ज़रा सा बता देती हूँ कि आई एक्चुअली इस तरह से पेपर्स वगैरह होते हैं न्यूज़पेपर्स में, उनको रोल करके अच्छे से स्टफ़ कर देती हूँ बैग्स में, सो दैट दे रिटेन देयर शेप. इट हैज़ दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टडेड थिंग गोइंग ऑन, सिल्वर स्टडेड थिंग गोइंग ऑन, एंड दैट इज़ एक्चुअली व्हाट मेक्स इट क्वाइट अट्रैक्टिव ऑल्सो. And then another category of sling that I have is this one. I think this is also kind of a satchel bag. एक टाइम आया था जब ये बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हुए थे इस तरह के बैग्स. So this one has this sort of a magnetic button opening and then there's just one division over here, but again I can carry a lot of like काफ़ी ज़्यादा spacious नहीं है. It does not like open a lot, ज़्यादा space नहीं आती है इसमें, बट स्टिल मेरी बेसिक चीज़ें आराम से आ सकती हैं. जैसे कि मैंने स्टार्टिंग बताया था क्या क्या बेसिक और एसेंशियल्स हैं मेरे लिए, तो वो सब इसमें आ सकते हैं. देन दिस वन मोर स्पेस ओवर हियर, यहाँ पे मैं अपने हाउस कीज़ या कार्ड्स या कैश वगैरह कैरी कर सकती हूँ. दिस वन आई थिंक आई बॉट दिस इन अहमदाबाद, यहीं से मैंने ख़रीदा था. आई डोंट रिमेंबर द स्टोर नेम और आई थिंक वो अभी बंद हो गया स्टोर. जब मैं जस्ट अहमदाबाद शिफ्ट हुई थी तो मेरे ऑफिस के पास में ही थी दैट शॉप एंड आई बॉट इट फ्रॉम देयर. वहाँ से मैंने अपनी मम्मी के लिए भी एक बहुत सुंदर सा सीक्वेंस डिज़ाइन का क्लच खरीदा था. बॉक्स क्लच था वो, पर वो मेरी मम्मी के पास में है अजमेर में. हम दोनों कभी कभी एक्सचेंज कर करके पहनते रहते हैं उसको. तो अभी तो वो मेरे पास में यहाँ नहीं है, अदरवाइज़ मैं आपको दिखाती. वो इंडियन वेयर के लिए बहुत अच्छा था एंड मैंने अपने लिए ये बैग खरीदा था वहाँ से, उस शॉप से. Moving on to the next category of sling bag, I have this one. Again, something which I carry so much, especially whenever I'm wearing like something like a nice one piece. It really goes with most of my one pieces, and it has this gold and black sling. I really like these gold sort of bells. एकदम से एक elite look आ जाता है, and this is actually one of my favorite bags मेरे collection में से. This is from Kazo, and it has this sort of an opening. एक ही compartment है. I carry this a lot to dinners and parties especially. One more sling bag in my collection, and this one is from Aldo. I actually got this as a gift from my cousin. She gifted it on my wedding, and I haven't had the chance to carry this bag because I think this sort of bag would only go with those outfits that are very minimal and very basic, as in something plain, because it has, you know, basic printing going on. So yeah, it's from Aldo. I particularly love Aldo bags, and it has actually this sort of space inside, two compartments, so I think it is pretty spacious, and I just love this sort of powder pink and blush pink sort of color. So yeah, I really was so thankful to my cousin who bought this lovely handbag from Aldo to me. I have one more actually, this sort of a round आई डोंट नो, इसको स्ट्रॉ बैग कहते हैं, जूट बैग कहते हैं, बट ये मैंने H&M से ख़रीदा था. आई बॉट इट लास्ट ईयर शॉपिंग फॉर माई रशिया ट्रिप, तो मैंने तब ये ख़रीदा था. एंड इट्स लाइक ऑल्सो लाइक अ स्लिंग एंड ऑल्सो लाइक अ क्रॉस बॉडी, तो ये मुझे बड़ा ही पसंद है बैग. इसका कलर थोड़ा सा लाइट न्यूड पिंकिश सॉर्ट ऑफ है. सो या दिस इज़ एक्चुअली अ नाइस बैग दैट आई हैव. थोड़ा सा जूट तरह का है, और इस तरह के बैग्स लास्ट ईयर बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हुए थे. तो बहुत ही सिंपल और बेसिक सा बैग है, राउंड है. मेरे पास आई थिंक यही एक ऐसा बैग है जो कि राउंड शेप है. देन आई हैव दिस वन ऑल्सो जो कि जूट का है. ये मैंने अमेजोन से ख़रीदा था, क्योंकि मैंने जैसे कि कहा कि ये तरह के बैग्स बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हुए थे एक टाइम पे. एंड यू नो दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ बैग एक्चुअली गोज अ लॉट, लाइक इट इंस्टेंटली गिव्स दोज बोहेमियन वाइब्स, एंड दिस इज सो मच परफेक्ट फॉर लाइक इफ यू आर गोइंग on a picnic, or even if you're going on a beach vacation. I think this looks perfect. You can just like maybe tie over your some sort of a scarf ना, या वो पॉम पॉम वाले जो आते हैं, I think वो Forever 21 पे बहुत ज़्यादा मिलते हैं. You can just you know tie it over here, तो वो थोड़ा सा attractive बना देगा इस बैग को. Want to fanny packs. I got both of these fanny packs. This one's in tan and this one's in brown. Both of these I got from Shein. And you know, fanny packs or bum bags जो भी कहते हैं, they were quite popular in the 90s, but again they have come back in trend. And I think when you are going for a vacation, or even if you are going like maybe just to meet somebody, hang out with your friends, I think these look really cool. They go so good with t-shirt and jeans and t-shirt dresses, slip dresses, and I think the list is endless. So they are pretty cool. I think they give so much of casual and chic vibes. So now let's move on to another category, which is of like the small handbags. So I have this one from Accessorize. This is actually like my most favorite bag from my collection. You can see it has this animal print thing going on. It's mostly like a box handbag, and it opens like this. Again इसमें अभी भी स्टफिंग भरी हुई है, बट अगेन इसमें एक ही डिवीजन है, एक ही कंपार्टमेंट है. एंड आई पर्टिकुलरली फील दैट दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ अ बैग इज़ सो परफेक्ट फॉर लाइक एलीट डिनर्स, एंड बिकॉज एक गोल्ड जहाँ पे हैंडल आ ही जाता है, वहाँ पे अपने आप थोड़ा सा क्लासी लुक आ जाता है. आई न्यू दैट इट विल टेक एनी आउटफिट अ नॉच हायर, सो आई हैड नो डाउट्स अबाउट purchasing this. I feel that this really goes with plain black or plain white outfits. I think it looks so classy. I mean, imagine me wearing a white on white blazer, like a white pantsuit, and this bag. Oh my god, I instantly have this feeling I want to buy a white pantsuit. Yeah, it would look so good, and like maybe black pointed toes, heels. It will look really great. Okay, now the other one I have is this one. This is a grey with these sort of beads and studded thing. This is from Miniso. Again, I showed it in my Miniso shopping haul, and it opens like this and has just one division. So yeah, इस तरह के जो लुक वाले बैग्स हैं वो लास्ट ईयर मैंने देखा था बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंडी हुए थे, बहुत ज़्यादा मैं इसको कैरी करती हूँ, एंड बिकॉज इट्स ग्रीन कलर इट गोज विथ मोस्ट ऑफ माई आउटफिट्स. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू like the handbags and the hand clutches that I have. So I have this one from Kazo. It has these golden beads, and because it's like slightly like light golden in color, I knew that I can carry this with, especially I think it goes well with western outfits and with Indian outfits also. I've actually worn it with sarees also, and it opens like this, and it has actually a sling also inside. So yeah, it also comes with a sling, so in case I want to just put on the sling on the side. Right now I have detached the sling, and so yeah, I quite like this handbag. It really looks very classy. It also looks like a statement clutch. And then there's this bag. I really don't know where I got it from. I probably think I got it from some shop in Ahmedabad, but because it was black in color and it has this sort of some self studded thing on this clutch, and there's a sling also on the inside. So I just knew, I have like an eye for these things, that I knew that this will really go with a lot of my outfits. So I really didn't give it a thought. Although ये branded नहीं है, but कई बार क्वालिटी या फैब्रिक और मटेरियल देख के भी पता चल जाता है. फैब्रिक तो नहीं ऑब्वियसली, बट मटेरियल देख के पता चल जाता है कि ये ज़्यादा worn out होगा या नहीं. So I just want to say that these sort of bags actually are so I think easy to carry, especially when you have to attend a buffet dinner, because then what you can do is like you can just place it under your arms, and then on your hand you're eating with the plate. And even if you want to meet somebody, say hello to them, then if you place these sort of bags under your arms, then you are like you are not really bothered about having your one hand busy because it's holding the clutch and it's holding the bag. What else? Oh, now we move on to the last category, जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही bag. And this is a backpack. It's from Forever 21. इसका मैंने actually एक video किया था where I showed you. I was in Moscow, I think, and I filmed the what's in my travel bag. So this is actually the bag जिसके अंदर मैं सब कुछ carry कर रही थी. So of course backpack है, and it's not very big but it's not too tiny also. तो काफ़ी medium sized है, इसलिए इसमें most अच्छे तरह से सब essentials आ जाते हैं. It has this opening. कुछ सामान है इसके अंदर already, but इसमें एक छोटी सी यहाँ पे भी space है, कुछ भी maybe keys रखनी हो, और आगे चेन है ही that you've seen. So yeah, it's pretty basic in color. Black है तो मुझे ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना था. As I said, I always go for classics. I always shop muted colors. तो इसलिए I knew that one travel backpack is really important. I just have one more. ये पोटली बैग है. इस तरह के पोटली बैग मेरे मम्मी के घर पे बहुत सारे पड़े हैं. जैसा कि मैंने कहा, हम लोग एक्सचेंज करके बहुत ज़्यादा पहनते हैं. The lovely work done on this पोटली बैग. It's sort of pista green in color, and I love these sort of colors because again ये भी थोड़ा muted है, ज़्यादा vivid नहीं है. It will go with most of the outfits, especially with lehengas, and I think even with sarees, even with palazzos and shararas. So इस तरह की जो है इसमें opening है, and you can obviously just carry it like this, and I absolutely love it. Now we are moving on to the third segment where I will talk about a few tips that I can share with you on how you can retain the quality of your bags and make them last longer. सबसे पहली टिप तो मैं ये देना चाहूँगी आपको, that you must obviously take care of the bags by cleaning them often. Like for example, मैंने कहा कि ये जो tote bag है मैं बहुत ज़्यादा office carry करती हूँ, so I think once in few months I need to wash it. So how I really do that is either I take a damp cloth or I take like an old toothbrush, उस पर थोड़ा सा like maybe सर्फ का पानी आप उसका कुछ solution कर लो, या फिर पेस्ट ही ले लो, उस चीज़ से साफ़ करने की कोशिश करती हूँ. और फिर जब ये पूरा साफ़ हो जाता है अच्छे से, तो डैम्प क्लॉथ से उसको मैं नीटली पोंछ लेती हूँ, एंड आई जस्ट ड्राई इट थोड़ा सा, मतलब डायरेक्ट सन में नहीं, पर ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे हल्की सनलाइट मतलब एक सटल वे में आ रही हो, ताकि वो बैग ड्राई हो जाए. देन ऑब्वियसली देयर आर सर्टेन अदर काइंड ऑफ बैग्स, जैसे कि इस तरह का बैग है, तो इसको मैं जो है एक डैम्प क्लॉथ से या फिर किसी वेट टिश्यू से साफ़ कर लेती हूँ whenever I come from outside, and then I store it in my shelf, which takes me to the next tip, which is I always make sure that I store my bags in a shelf, and I always keep them in the original poly bag that it came. तो जिस भी ब्रांड का बैग होता है, जैसे कि चार्ल्स एंड कीथ का, so you can see I have retained उसकी जो poly bag है, मैं उसी में ही इस बैग को रखती हूँ. And instead of hanging your बैग्स बिकॉज उससे उसका हैंडल जो है उसका शेप लूज हो जाएगा. सो कीप देम, लाई देम इन अ शेल्फ. अगर उनकी हाइट सपोज इतनी ज़्यादा है, मतलब हाइट जो है आपकी शेल्फ से टच कर रही है, देन यू कैन जस्ट लाई देम फ्लैट, लाई देम डाउन, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू रियली शुड टेक केयर ऑफ द बैग्स, जस्ट बाय कीपिंग देम प्रॉपरली इन अ शेल्फ. कुछ भी छोटे मोटे जैसे न्यूज़पेपर्स होते हैं, उनको अच्छे से इकट्ठा करके उनका एक बॉल टाइप बना के उसकी स्टफिंग कर लो. 3-4 जो पेजेस हैं न्यूज़पेपर्स के, उनके आप करके उनको स्टफ करके रख सकते हो. इस तरह से आपके बैग की जो शेप है वो लूज नहीं होगी और वो रिटेन्ड रहेगी. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टिप है दैट जब भी आप अपने बैग में कुछ भी लिक्विड कैरी कर रहे हो, मेरे के जो पाउचेस हैं उनमें अपने कॉस्मेटिक्स स्टोर करती हूँ और फिर उनको इस तरह के मेन हैंड बैग में कैरी करके लेके जाती हूँ, ताकि वो जो कॉस्मेटिक है या फिर कोई भी अगर लिक्विड है वो गलती से निकल ही जाए बाहर और वो मेरा पूरा बैग ख़राब नहीं कर दे. एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टिप मैं बताना चाहूँगी, जब भी आप बाहर जा रहे हो एंड यू आर मीटिंग समबडी फॉर अ मील, इट इज़ नॉट अ गुड एटिकेट टू कीप योर हैंड बैग ऑन द टेबल व्हेन यू आर ईटिंग. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ कीपिंग इट ऑन द टेबल और ऑन द ग्राउंड, बिकॉज अगर आप फ्लोर पे रखोगे तो वो गंदा हो जाएगा, उसमें जर्म्स भी अट्रैक्ट होंगे. तो इसलिए डोंट कीप इट ऑन द फ्लोर. पास वाली चेयर खाली है तो या तो आप उस पर रख दो, और बेस्ट ऑप्शन इज जस्ट कीप इट एट द बैक ऑफ योर चेयर. एंड या दीज आर एक्चुअली ऑल द टिप्स दैट आई वांटेड टू शेयर. आई होप कि आपको इस वीडियो से कुछ अच्छा सीखने को मिला हो. एंड इफ यू हैव समथिंग टू टेक अवे फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो, देन प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू like and share this video, and also consider subscribing to my channel. And take care, lots of love, see you next time, bye.